In this lesson, we'll learn how to fix a very common grammar mistake, the comma splice. First of all, what is a comma splice? Is it A, an insect native to the Amazon jungle? B, a hand cramp caused by writing essays? C, a tool for opening the shrink wrap on a new CD? Or D, two sentences joined with just a comma? If you chose D, you're right. A comma by itself is not strong enough to join two sentences. Jason plays the guitar. Samantha plays the keyboard. These are two sentences. If I join them together into one long sentence and put only a comma in between, that's a comma splice. There are actually 5 ways to fix a comma splice, but I'm going to tell you the 3 easiest methods. First, you can just replace the comma with a period and make 2 separate sentences. Or you could replace the comma with a semicolon. Or you could leave the comma and add a fanboy's word. The first method is really easy. Just take out the comma, put a period there, and make 2 shorter sentences. The second method is actually my favorite. It's very handy if you're about to turn in a paper and you notice at the last minute that you have a comma splice. You can just take your pen, draw a little dot on top of the comma, and turn it into a semicolon. That's what a semicolon is, halfway between a period and a comma. It's bigger than a comma, big enough to separate 2 sentences, but smaller than a period. We still have 1 long sentence instead of 2 small ones. Jason plays the guitar, semicolon, Samantha plays the keyboard. The third method involves adding a word. English teachers call these the fanboys words because if you take the first letters of each word and line them up, you can spell out the word fanboys. The traditional grammar name for these words is coordinating conjunctions. There are only 7 coordinating conjunctions. They're very short words and they have very special powers. There are 7 fanboys words: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Just choose whichever word sounds right to join your 2 sentences. Jason plays the guitar, comma, and Samantha plays the keyboard. It would also sound fine to say Jason plays the guitar, comma, but Samantha plays the keyboard. And but are the 2 most commonly used fanboys words. Here are some sentences that show how the other words can be used. I can't go to the movies, comma, for I have to write an essay. In this case, for basically means because. Chris didn't brush his teeth, comma, nor did he wash his face. Jan will bake the cake, comma, or she will buy one at the store. Christy is tone deaf, comma, yet she still dreams of being a rock star. Mitchell wants to get buff, comma, so he works out every day. Here's the recap for this lesson. A comma splice is 2 sentences joined with just a comma. For example, I wrote an awesome grammar book, comma, I hope lots of people will buy it. We also learned 3 easy ways to fix a comma splice. You can replace the comma with a period and make 2 shorter sentences. You can replace the comma with a semicolon, or you can leave the comma and add a fanboy's word. Add whichever word will sound right for your sentence. For more of My Dog's Grammar Hotline lessons, keep checking our website, www.mydogbytestheenglishteacher.com, or check our YouTube page. If you just can't wait, order your copy from your local bookstore or on Amazon.